In this video, I'll show you how to change the filter layout on the search results page in Shopify Dawn Theme. By default, on desktop version, the filter is positioned horizontally, but we can change it to vertical layout or drawer. In this video, I'll show you how to make this change. So at first, let's log in Shopify admin account, then select online store. Now look for Dawn Theme, in my case it's version 15.2.0, then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the very top, click on Homepage, and then select Search. Now in the search, just type the name of one of your products. As in my case, let's type table. Now on the left, let's click on Search Results, and then on the right, you'll see the search result settings. Now scroll a bit down till you find filtering and sorting. First of all, make sure that the filtering is enabled, and then look for the desktop filter layout. As by default it's set as horizontal, let's try changing to vertical. As you can see, the filter options are now positioned on the left side of the screen right here. Or alternatively, we can change it to drawer. In this case, if I click on filter, you'll notice that the filter options will be positioned in the right side panel. Now just select the filter which suits your design. In my case, I'll pick the vertical filter and then click on save. After saving the settings, make sure to allow a minute or two for the change to update on the system. Then go back to your website and try refreshing it. Now let's click on search and let's look for one of the products. And as you can see, in my case, the filter is now positioned vertically on the desktop version. So that's all I want to show you in this short video. I hope you found it helpful. For more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.